Doctor, let's play myths versus reality about uterine fibroids. Myth: fibroid always needs surgery to shrink.
No, with surgery the fibroid is not going to shrink. Surgery, that is called as a myomectomy, we remove the fibroid, we don't shrink it. Usually fibroid don't shrink on their own. Either depending on the size of the fibroid or where the fibroid is located, we decide whether it's a medical management or the surgical management.
Myth 2: a growing tummy is always belly fat.
Not at all. Growing tummy, you have to always rule out pregnancy. It can be because of the fibroid or any other mass in the uterus. It can be because of adenomyosis, but the fibroid is the main cause of the growing tummy apart from your belly fat.
Myth 3: every fibroid causes heavy bleeding.
Not always. It depending on the position and the size of the fibroid. If the fibroid is subserous, that is, it is away from the uterus, then it will not cause bleeding. Especially the fibroid, intramural fibroid, which are touching the endometrial cavity, or submucosal fibroid, which are in the endometrial cavity, they will have bleeding.
Myth 4: only sexually active women get fibroids.
Not at all. Any woman with uterus can have fibroid. It can be 16 years unmarried girl or it can be 45 years old. So fibroid doesn't depend on your sexuality.
Myth 5: every fibroid must be removed.
Not at all. As I said before, we treat fibroid depending on the size and position of the fibroid. If the fibroid is more than 5 centimeter, it is giving you heavy bleeding, severe pain in abdomen, pain during defecation or urination, and it is interfering with your infertility, yes, we have to remove the fibroid. Sometimes even 6 centimeter subserosal fibroid we may not remove. So okay, depending on the size and position of the fibroid, we decide the treatment for fibroid.